hell are you doing?
Bored.
What?
Bored!
No.
Bored! Bored! And what's gone into the criminal classes? Good job I'm not one of them.
So you take it out on the wall?
Oh, the wall had it coming.
About that Russian case?
Belarus, open and shut domestic murder. Not worth my time.
Ah, shame. Anything in? I'm starving. Oh. It's a head. A severed head.
Just tea for me, thanks.
No, there's a head in the fridge.
Yes?
A bloody head.
Where else was I supposed to put it? You didn't mind, do you? Got it from Bart's morgue. I'm measuring the coagulation of saliva after death. So you've written up the taxi driver case?
Yes.
A study in pink. Nice.
Well, you know, a pink lady, pink case, pink phone. There was a lot of pink. Did you like it?
No.
Why not? I thought you'd be flattered.
Flattered. Sherlock sees through everything and everyone in seconds. What's incredible, though, is how spectacularly ignorant he is about some things.
Now, hang on a minute. I didn't mean that in a...
Oh, you meant spectacularly ignorant in a nice way. Look, it doesn't matter to me who's prime minister or who's sleeping with who.
Or that the Earth goes around the sun.
Oh,
yeah.
God, that again. It's not important.
Not important. It's primary school stuff. How can you not know that?
But if I ever did, I've deleted it.
Deleted it.
Listen, this is my hard drive, and it only makes sense to put things in there that are useful. Really useful. Ordinary people fill their heads with all kinds of rubbish, and that makes it hard to get at the stuff that matters. Do you see?
But it's the solar system.
Oh, hell, what does that matter? So we go around the sun. If we went round the moon or round and round the garden like a teddy bear, it wouldn't make any difference. All that matters to me is the work. Without that, my brain rots.
Put that in your blog. Or better still, stop inflicting your opinions on the world.
Where are you going?
Out. I need some air.
Oh, sorry, love.
Sorry.
Ooh. You two had a little domestic? Oh, it's a bit nippy out there. He should have wrapped himself up a bit more.
Look at that, Mrs. Hudson. Quiet, calm, peaceful. Isn't it hateful?
Oh, I'm sure something will turn up, Sherlock. A nice murder. That'll cheer you up.
Can't come too soon.
Hey, what have you done to my bloody wall? I'm putting this on your rent, young man.